Hi, my name is Umair and I'm Business Development Manager at Fast Food Systems Reading. Today I want to show you one of our most popular products, which is a Vizu 700 pass-through. This machine here has 4 large flaps. When you lift each flap, you can see wire grids inside. Each door has 2 wire grids, and this machine here is ideal for small to large restaurants basically, and you can put fried chicken in it, you can put wings in it, keeps it moist, keeps it humidified. So there's no fan built into the machine, so no fan to fail. It uses convection system. This 700 pass-through comes with its own wrap stand, so it's good, ideal for storing bags and packaging. Now I'm about to show you the water tray. Now this can be manual feed, or it could be connected to your mains. We do supply you with a water tank. Now this could be placed on either side of the unit. So you can either have it like this. Some customers prefer having it on the top, or you can have it on the wall. Right, now let's look at some of the other features of Vizu 700 pass-through. On the rear side, you've got on and off switch, and the lights can also be controlled, and also the humidity can also be controlled from here. Ideal temperature usually 75 centigrades, but you can change temperature to your own requirement. 700 pass-through has a 2 kilowatt voltage, so it's very economical to run, has a low footprint, and is designed to go on the rear service island for staff to have an easy access from both sides. So you can load up from rear and you can bring your food out from the front. You can put multiple products in it. You can put fried chicken, wings, strips. So you can have 2 dividers in each tray. That will give you burger lanes if you do burgers and chickens, so you can place them on the top tier. This unit has 4 halogen bulbs on the top and 2 on the bottom to illuminate your products.
For more information on Vizu products, visit fast-food-systems.co.uk or speak to the sales team on 011 89 44 11 00.